I'm going to go over today how to draw up and administer a glycerin suppository for neonate. The supplies you'll need is like a 2x2 or a 4x4 for a clean surface. A glycerin suppository, which you would get from the Omnicell, and it comes in a container, which the container would go to the infant, the entire container, and then you would just leave it in the fridge for future suppositories. You would also need a 1 ml slip tip syringe. It's like the TB syringes, and they're found in the bedroom, and a scalpel and lubricating jelly for when you administer. So you'll first take the syringe out of the container and remove the plunger. Then you'll take the scalpel and slowly, just careful not to cut yourself, but scrape the side of the glycerin suppository so you're getting some of the gel onto the scalpel. And then you're going to move the scalpel, the gel, into the syringe like that. Kind of push it into the hole. And usually it takes 2 to 3 scrapes to get probably about 0.1 mLs of glycerin in the syringe. So you get some more. Push that in. Just be real careful not to stab yourself. I'm going to do this aside, see if I can get some of this. And so you can see there's a lot on there right now. So we're just going to push that in. Okay, that should be enough, I think, to get us. So usually I would say about 0.1 is enough for a baby, like a micro preemie. And you'll take the plunger and put it inside of the syringe. Careful to get all the good glycerin in there. And then we're going to prime it, and you'll see right now there's probably a little bit over the 0.1. So for a little baby I would probably give about 0.1. So when you're about to administer, you would open up your lubricating jelly and put some on the tip of the syringe, and then you would just basically put in the rectum and then slowly push the syringe. And you can see it comes out like a little soft string. It's not hard, it's super gentle. It's a real nice way to give a suppository to a baby. For an older baby, you may want to give more of like a 0.2 volume. Still very small amount, very gentle, and a nice way to do this procedure.